guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you guys so much for the subscription and the likes and the comments. It's been amazing. These are meant that I've tried to give up, okay, but then seeing you guys subscriptions and comments and like, I'm like, you know what, I'm going to keep doing this. At least it's encouraging and I really appreciate. So guys, today, all right, today I'm going to be braiding my hair. This is my first time doing this style, okay. I just recently started braiding my hair. I mean, no one thing with YouTube is that when you start a YouTube channel and you think, I thought YouTube channel would just makeup, okay. I was just going to do makeup. I just wanted to just be doing makeup just for the fun of it, right? But it kind of pushes you to like explore. So now I'm thinking outside the box. I'm thinking of other things to do that is not makeup related. I mean, how much makeup can one see? Okay, so I've been thinking of things to do and I realized that you can actually do anything you think you want to do if you actually put your mind in it. So yeah, I did my braid for the first time, like a box braid, and I did a video on that. I'm going to link it here for you guys to see if you've not seen it. And today I'm going to be doing this. So this is a straight goddess lock, okay. This is how it looks like. So this is like the crochet style and I'm going to do it. So I'm going to cornrow my hair back and I'm going to show you guys the whole process. Okay, so this is me trying out this one for the first time, and this is like straight and the end has coils, which is interesting. And guys, just ignore this, okay. I have a very interesting cornrow inside. I have a very interesting cornrow inside, so I'm going to just take it up and make it better. This is just to keep my hair together, more like a protective style. It's not even a protective style, I don't know, ignore me. And this is a whole new background or backdrop. Is that what they call it? Backdrop. This is not where I do my makeup videos, okay. This is just me sitting down on the most comfortable chair I have, because this is going to be a lot of work and I need to be comfortable as I'm doing it. So yeah, that's it guys. This is it's three inside, but I got like 3 different packs and I hope it's going to be enough. It should be enough, and each one retails for $25, okay. And this is in color 1B, if you guys can see this, I don't know, maybe. And it's 20-inch long. So guys, I'm not sure I'm going to do my cornrows on camera because it's going to be survival of the fittest, okay. It's going to be a war, it's going to be a battle between me and my hair, because it's not like I'm really that perfect in it, but I'm just going to try my best. So I might not show that on camera, or I might, I don't know. But then the point of this video is doing these cornrows, okay. So this is what you guys are going to see. All right, let me stop talking because I talk a lot. Let's just get into this video, guys. Before we go guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's like a red button here or here. Just click on it and like this video and give me a comment or leave a comment in the comment section. And of course, I'll always reply you guys' comment, like always. It's always like super interesting and encouraging to go through all those comments and like, oh okay, so all my hard work, people actually like it. I mean, it's because it's really stressful to do YouTube. It's really stressful to do YouTube, and your comments are like so amazing. So it's like anytime I'm like, I'm not doing this thing again, and then I'm trying to reply comments, I'm like, do you really want to deprive people of this? all right, thank you guys so much, and yeah, let's just get into this video, okay. Okay guys, so after how many hours this is me, I'm done. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to install this is the fun part. Okay, so I left out this front because I told you guys that I want to like make this one single locks. I didn't want to make it all cornrow. Okay, so wish me luck. Then I know that when I watch all these videos, you have to put it in, put the lock, right, and then close it so you can be able to like bring it out. Because initially when I tried to do it before, like just practicing how I'm going to put it in, if you don't close it, guys, if you don't close this thing, like it's open now, right? I don't know if you guys can see, but if you don't close it, it's going to just drag your hair and mess up the whole thing. So you have to like close it. You have to close it, put it in. You see it's open, so it's like really annoying right now. But if you close it, it comes out easily. So that's one thing I learned, and I decided to like share with you guys. Guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm just super excited how this turned out. It's looking like really fine, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So yeah, this is how I did my first lock. I'm excited. Okay, and it's looking so nice. Okay, all right. So I didn't want to make it like so tight. I didn't want it to look like so new. Like I like that little bit. It's getting old, but it's not yet old kind of look, right? So that's what I was going for, and I'm excited the way it turned out. Okay. Okay guys, so thank you for staying with me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And also tell me what you guys think of this hair. Tell me, did I try? I mean, I feel like I did. It's not looking bad. I mean, I feel like it's looking like something that someone did for the first time, but it's not looking like bad. Just tell me what you guys think in the comment section. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.